Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint.
In this tutorial we are going to paint this sideboard, and it's gonna be another sunset at the beach inspired piece.
We are going to transform it with the help of Dixie Belle Paint, so stay with us if you want to see all the process.
Let's do it!
I started to remove the old varnish and all the imperfections with an 80 grit sandpaper, and it all went off so quick it was flying away. Then I cleaned the piece inside out really well with Dixie Belle Furniture Cleaner White Lightening, a toothbrush and an abrasive sponge. Once I was done cleaning, I rinsed the piece twice only with water to remove any leftover solution or dirt.
For the base coat, I use pistachio, which is part of Terra Clay Paint collection, and later we will overlay chalk paint, but starting with this color because it's just our favorite. At the moment, it's number one. We are using it so often since Dixie Belle released it. Anyway, I dabbed the paint to create a soft texture, and I did that all over the piece. Once the paint dried in a few good hours, I overlaid first mermaid tail, I watered the brush and the surface, and I started to apply it. You see, I'm not trying to cover completely the pistachio underneath. I like it showing through in some spots, that's why we painted the base this color. I carried on damping the piece and the paint in some spots more, in some spots less, so the paint will be more diluted here and there, and the pistachio will be able to show through. And I carried on applying mermaid tail up to the middle of the piece, or more in some areas. I had to blend in some limeade too to give it like a stroke of light in that area, and I use up and down, side motions, water as well, and I blended. In this case I'm not worried for a perfect blending because it's more of a grungy bohemian piece, so we are embracing the imperfections here in this situation. The next color is Peacock. We will be creating an ombre effect, but a pretty grungy one, as I said before. Same up and down, side motions, water to blend, and it's really easy to work with these colors. Actually, I would say give it a try even as a beginner. The next and last shade of blue is Bunker Hill Blue. We always say in the videos that the combo between Peacock and Bunker Hill, it's a stunning and electric combination. You have to say it, it's gorgeous.
We painted the top with 2 coats of burlap by dabbing it, thinking that the top needs to stay neutral as it's a lot happening on the rest of the piece.
Once the piece dried, it was time to work on the details, and for this we need a water, putty knife, a pipette, an artist brush and a cloth, all of them doing their part. I started with Florida orange and I had a bit of paint in this spot, so I added water to dilute it, and then with the pipette I did this on the corners, pretty. And then I did some drips as well, and I tapped with the cloth to diffuse them a little bit. with the putty knife I just picked up a bit of paint and this happens. I just love the effect it gives and it makes me wanna paint another piece only with the putty knife. Soon, very soon. So now I will just keep switching between the putty knife, the pipette, the cloth to diffuse the harsh edges and so on for the moment. I picked up some paint on the brush and I erased the excess on a piece of cloth, and I did a bit of dry brushing above these details and on the drawers as well. I had to add a bit of flamingo with the putty knife over that orange and it's super pretty. And then I dry brushed a bit of yellow on the drawers where I did those kind of drips with the brush.
I sealed the piece with 3 layers of flat clear coat, letting each one to dry for about 2 hours.
And this is the final result! Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, and if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe for more furniture tutorials. Hope to see you soon. Bye!